Welcome, today I am with Honor 50 and I'm going to show you how you can apply tempered glass on display in this smartphone. So let's start. I'm going to take off these two things, zoom in and show you how you can make it step by step. Of course, in this smartphone we can find a curved display, so it will be good if you have this kind of the tempered glass. In my case I have only the flat version, but all steps look the same. So what you have to do, simply open the box with the tempered glass. There it is. And inside you will find these two wipes. So we have to start from the wet and then finish with the dry one. So let's get it. This one is actually wet, but sometimes they come dry. So you can use something like the window cleaner and apply it a little bit on the wipe if you have this problem. So right now you can simply make, let me just lock in the screen. Or this moves the circle. Okay, I'm gonna apply this window cleaner because we got some kind of the greasy marks right here and I want to remove it. So to get rid of that we have to put a little bit more liquid on the wet, on the wipe, and right now we have to get the dry one. So right now we have to finish with the dry one, and you have to remove this wet marks from the screen, but as you can see we got still some kind of the greasy marks, and that's honestly annoying. So how we can remove it? We can grab something like the towel or the paper towel, wherever you have around you, and then use it. So as you can see with this one, we can get rid of that. Okay, right now we have to just take a look one more time at the screen and be sure that everything is fine. There's no any dust on the screen. So I'm gonna right now apply the tempered glass, but quick disclaimer that in this place I'll probably get the air bubbles, and also right here for the edges, because the screen the protector is flat and the screen is a little bit edgy, so it will be not fit perfect. So how to remove this this foil from the tempered glass? You have to grab this the sticker and just remove it like that. Okay, and right now we have to put it correctly for the both edges. So we have to start from the upper section of the screen and keep holding the bottom part. That's very important. Okay, I think that right now it looks not bad. So we have to hold right here, and then we have to move to the bottom part, so simply put it on the screen. And right now it will go automatically, so you don't even have to press on the screen, but for sure you can make it to stick it faster. You can just slide with your finger right here and right here. And right now we have to go back for this dry wipe and clean the screen. And to remove this kind of the marks that you can see right here, just simply to press on it and it will disappear when you press like that. Okay, and the same right here. Okay, and right now it's finished. So right now we can turn on the screen and we can unlock the phone, for example. Okay, let me just use my phone, please. Okay, there it is. As you can see, everything's fine. And that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.